In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your profile with friends on TikTok and also how you can share your TikTok profile to other social media. So what you're going to do for this is you're going over to your profile section at the bottom right. From here, you click on the hamburger icon at the top right. Here you click on settings and privacy. Right now we see under account, we see share profile. So we click on this. And here you can see that we have some options to share our profile. And the first ones that are popping up are basically recommendations of TikTok profiles. You can also search for more. So you click on the search icon, and in here you can basically search whatever TikTok username you want to share your profile to, and they will receive that in their TikTok message. And as you already saw, we also have other options, the social media options, which include WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram DM, SMS, Telegram, email, X, and Facebook. And you can also copy the link and basically send it on anywhere. So that's really handy. And you also have options to share it via Bluetooth. And to access that, you need to click on the three dots at the bottom right, all the way to the right. And there you see some other options. And that is basically how you share your profile with friends and social media through TikTok. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.